To this day, it amazes me that more people aren't aware of the huge potential that the internet represents when it comes to earning money. If you know how to use a computer, then you could be earning money online. Actually, there is no limit to what you can accomplish using internet business, and it's something that everyone should be involved in. But making a name for your brand online is not an easy task. It's crucial that you understand how to properly make use of the most effective techniques in order to do so. That all sounds great, but I don't have the time or the knowledge. You probably don't know enough about the web or how it operates in order to see the precise opportunities that are there for you. And the other issue is time. You'd love to learn all this stuff, but do you really have the time? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you'll be able to do things like discover everything that you need to know to start running a massively successful business in your spare time. Learn how the web works, how people make their money, and how you can get in on the action. Focus on the fastest and most effective ways to start making money online. Discover business models that you can easily implement in a matter of hours or even less. Discover how you can create businesses that run themselves so that you don't have to. Start making thousands of dollars each month from a business that will take you less than a few hours to set up. And the list goes on and on. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Internet Marketing for Business People. How to save time, work faster, and build a digital empire around a busy work schedule. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert at saving time, working faster, and building a digital empire around a busy work schedule. And you get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What makes the internet go around? The economy of the web. The role of the internet marketer. Start earning money almost immediately with this incredibly simple business model. PLR Products. PLR Products. The fastest way imaginable to start making reliable income online. Affiliate marketing and other super fast business models you can create in your spare time. What is affiliate marketing? How affiliate marketing works. Other great online business models you can set up in no time. How to choose things that will sell and make money quickly. Finding a route to market. Picking your niche. Merging niches. Choosing products with a value proposition. How to use Facebook ads and Google AdSense for quick profit. An introduction to Facebook ads and how to do it right. An introduction to Google AdWords. How to quickly profit from a big blog using the best growth hacks. Why you should always sell and never display ads. Building trust and offering value. Growth hacks for quickly growing your audience. Your super fast guide to SEO. Conclusion and productivity tips to help you do more work in less time. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually save time, work faster, and build the digital empire around a busy work schedule. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. This is really for anyone who wants to learn more about internet marketing and how to make money from the web, but who doesn't have the time to invest countless hours into growing an online business or managing a blog. If you think you could benefit from earning several $100s minimum for a few hours work a month, then this is for you. This is particularly aimed at the business professional. If you're someone who runs a business or is currently working to near breaking point by your existing employer, then you're going to find that this uses a lot of concepts and strategies you're familiar with, but in a new way. This will help you to understand how to use internet marketing in the workplace or how to use it to escape the rat race. This is Internet Marketing for Business People. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an internet marketing expert to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars in this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars into getting coaching programs or attend workshops, but you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Internet Marketing for Business People cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Internet Marketing for Business People Mind Map. valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast Action Bonus number 3, Internet Marketing for Business People Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you are looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution at saving time, working faster, and building a digital empire around a busy work schedule, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to lock in a huge discount and get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you become a complete expert at saving time, working faster, and building a digital empire around a busy work schedule. I'll see you on the inside. Dear valued customer, first off, thanks so much for purchasing the guide that will teach you how to save time, work faster, and build a digital empire around a busy work schedule. If you follow the step-by-step guide, you will be heading straight to that goal. But what if you could do it even faster? And what if you could ensure that you get the absolute best results possible and stay focused? In short, making sure that this is a real success. The good news is, you can. For limited time, you can get access to the video upgrade of the guide you just purchased at a big discount. This powerful upgrade will make it easier to get started and stay committed to your ultimate goal. Just to be clear, this is an exclusive upgrade for customers only. Why you need to upgrade to the video version of the Internet Marketing for Business People Guide. Did you know that most people learn a lot faster when they see something being done on video than by just reading about it? That's because most people out there are visual learners. How do you normally learn the best? Although the guide you just purchased gives you a step-by-step approach in saving time, working faster, and building a digital empire around a busy work schedule, but many of the internet marketing hacks require you to pay very close attention to the details to get the best results possible. If you miss any of the most important details or do things the wrong way, you may miss out on the fullest benefits offered inside the guide. For that very reason, I've put together a video version to make it much easier to get positive results quickly. The video version of the guide you just purchased will help you avoid missing any important key details that you might miss by only reading the guide. Stay focused and accountable, and follow through, and make sure you get ongoing results. Ensure that the work you put in now keeps on paying dividends long into the future. Introducing Internet Marketing for Business People video course. Are you ready to save time, work faster, and build a digital empire around a busy work schedule a lot faster? If the answer is yes, click the link below. First off, cost is the wrong word. This upgrade is an investment that will pay for itself many times over. And the good news is, right now you can upgrade and lock in a massive 75% discount. This is the next best thing to having an internet marketing expert right beside you, showing you how it's done. Not only will you avoid many of the most common mistakes that people make when trying to save time, work faster, and build the digital empire around a busy work schedule, you'll notice immediate positive results in your achievements. And it's about to get even better. When you upgrade today, you'll also get this exclusive Fast Action Bonus. Fast Action Bonus. High-quality MP3s of the entire video version of the training, valued at $27. Don't have time to watch videos? I'm also providing you with 10 MP3s that you can use while you're on the go. Listen to them in the car, at home, or even at the office. All day, every day. And here's what's really great about this. You don't have to decide anything today. You get a full 30 days to go through the video training and decide if this is really for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with everything you get inside, simply let me know and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Here's how to get instant access to the video version today. Simply click the link below, enter your information, and you'll get instant access to the entire video training version plus the fast action bonus MP3s. But please don't wait. To lock in the discounted pricing, you must grab this right now. In fact, if you close this page, you may never have the opportunity to upgrade to the video version of this ever again at an investment this low. And remember, this special discounted pricing is reserved for existing customers only. Are you ready to make things happen a lot faster? If you prefer to learn by being shown how to do something and you want to get results quickly, this is for you. If you're really serious about saving time, working faster, and building a digital empire around a busy work schedule, this is for you. And if you're one of those people that's a visual learner, you need this. Here's to becoming the most productive you that you can be. Remember, if you close this page, you may never see this again at such a low investment. There's no risk. Try this out for 30 days and then decide if this is for you. It doesn't get any easier than that.